The selection tool is a must-know feature in Photoshop. It lets you choose, unchoose, create intersections, and select the right spot. Photoshop has 19 selection tools, but today we'll focus on the quick selection tool, which is the easiest. Let's get started. Here I have a picture of sunglasses and a jug, but there's some text on the bottom left that's bothering me. So today we will get rid of the text, change the color of the glasses, and switch up the background. Let's start by removing the text. First, let's select the text using the lasso tool. You'll find it in the toolbar. It looks like a rope loop. Then click on it. There are different types of lasso tools: the basic lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. But for now, let's use the basic one. Once you've selected the text with the lasso tool, make sure to duplicate the layer to keep the original safe. You can do this by clicking the plus button at the bottom of the layer panel. Now, go to the Edit menu and choose Content Aware Fill. This tool helps us remove the text. However, sometimes the result might not look good at first. If the result is messy, don't worry. We can fix it by adjusting the settings. Look for the option called Color Adaptation and set it to very high. This helps the tool to match the colors better. Next, adjust the rotation adaptation to low. You can choose between low, medium, high, or full, depending on what looks best for your picture. Then I will check the boxes of scale and mirror. Finally, choose the option to output to the current layer, and there you go, the text is already gone. Next, we're going to change the color of the glasses. First, we need to select the glasses using the Quick Selection tool. Here we have a few options: Object Selection tool, Quick Selection tool, and Magic Wand Selection tool. You can try each tool to see which works best for your picture. But for now, I'll use the Quick Selection tool. Just drag it slowly over the image. If it goes outside the glasses, you can fix it by selecting again. Make sure you select all parts of the glass. After that, we'll create a new layer for the glass. This way, if we make a mistake, it won't affect other parts of the picture. Don't forget to add a layer mask to the glass layer. Then you can change the color. I'll choose Multiply. But there are other options like Darken, Color Burn, Lighten, and many more. Choose the one that looks best with your picture. If you want to change the color of another glass, just select it with the Quick Selection tool, duplicate the layer, add a layer mask, and change the color. I also want to change the background because it's too simple. For detailed steps, you can watch our video tutorial on layer mask. Now, I will use the Magic Wand tool and insert the picture. That's it! Easy, right? You can also adjust the picture's color in the channel section next to the layer section. Finally, you can choose between RGB, red, green, and blue. And that's how you use selection tools in Photoshop. By using selection tools, we can edit precisely what we've chosen. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a like, comment down below for any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Happy editing!